with great devotion and sincerity. Her pronunciation is clear and she maintains a steady rhythm throughout the recitation. Her calm and composed presentation reflects her respect and dedication, making her recitation soothing and meaningful.
Assalamu alaikum. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.